Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Ava Rover by Nike in the Fossil colorway. These were released on Friday the 25th of July 2025 for the retail price of £130 here in the UK. It comes in a beige box with the swoosh branding on the lid. Open up the box comes your shoes in a translucent like baking paper with a DigiCampbell style print across it. No accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Ava Rover is Nike's new lifestyle model that focuses on durability and comfort, featuring Nike's running sole technology React X. Its alien-like contoured sole and overall shape gives a cool futuristic look. Nike implemented a reductive rubber outsole skin, which minimizes weight while maximizing flexibility and traction. The flow-molded plastic overlays creates a dipped-in look and complements its stable, snug fit. The mesh upper features a black embroidered swoosh at the lateral mudguard and a mini one on the medial collar. Its overall tongue and lace design feels like a beefed up version of the 2018's React Element 87. On feet I stayed true to size as they fit surprisingly quite well. I expected a more snug restrictive experience, but it was quite wide foot friendly. React X is very well cushioned and stable. I like that the sole's wide base definitely adds more to the grounded everyday feel. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment Rover to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Have you checked out the new Ava Rover? I really like this new model, but I'm gonna hold out for some more colorways. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.